To download the Robinhood app on your laptop, you will need to use the web version of the application as Robinhood does not have a dedicated desktop app. Here is a step-by-step guide to access Robinhood on your laptop. First, open a web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari on your laptop. Type in the URL bar the website address of Robinhood, which is robinhood.com, and press enter. Once the website loads, you will see a login button at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an account with Robinhood, click on the login button and enter your email address and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button and follow the registration process to create a new account. After logging into your account, you will be able to access all the features of Robinhood, including buying and selling stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. You can also view your portfolio, track your investments, and set up account settings. To use Robinhood on your laptop, you will need to have a stable internet connection and a compatible web browser. It is also recommended to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. In addition to using the web version, you can also download the Robinhood mobile app on your smartphone or tablet and use it to access your account on the go. The mobile app is available for both iOS and Android devices and can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play Store. Overall, accessing Robinhood on your laptop is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following these steps, you can start using Robinhood on your laptop and take advantage of its features and services.